Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the ultimate camping cooking utensils set, available in 33 or 45 pieces, perfect for all your car camping and outdoor cooking adventures. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need, from a grill spatula and barbecue forks to a chef's knife, cutting board, and even a pair of gloves, ensuring you're fully equipped for any culinary challenge in the great outdoors. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel and heavy-duty PP material, this set promises premium quality and durability, offering a safe and reliable cooking experience without the worry of rust or deformation. The spacious storage bag keeps all your utensils neatly organized and protected, with each item having its own pouch, making it easy to access your cooking gear without any hassle. Thanks to its compact and lightweight design, this portable camping essential is a breeze to carry, featuring a convenient top handle and adjustable shoulder strap for effortless transport. Whether you're planning a picnic, RV trip, hiking adventure, or backyard barbecue, this versatile utensil kit is the perfect companion, making it an excellent gift for those who love to travel and pack light. So, gear up for your next outdoor escapade with this must-have camping cooking set and elevate your culinary game under the open sky. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.